No. It's fine.
If only I had listened for a while. I would have told.
As professional makeup artists, I have to admit we can be a little bit picky when it comes to the products that we use on ourselves and the products that we use on our clients. So keep watching to find out what our staple products are and what products we're always reaching for when we're out on a makeup job.
Just in case you're new here, we will reintroduce ourselves. I'm Amanda.
I'm Jacqueline.
We're natural beauty makeup artists. I'm a holistic nutritionist, and we're also skin specialists.
And we are the Green,
Beauty Collective.
We should start a choir.
Harmony.
Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when we release a new video every single Tuesday.
When we first switched over our professional kits, it wasn't always easy to find natural products that would actually perform.
Yeah, and the times have changed and the industry has evolved so much, and there's so many more options now. So it is a little bit easier to find products that do perform. And something that I do also want to say is that when we first switched over our kits, we were very, very particular about everything being totally clean. And I have to say, because a lot of people are now looking for products that are natural and safe for them, as well as perform really well and maybe even potentially hold up for a lot longer, we've really had to dial back a little bit on some of the ingredients that we let slide into the products that we promote and sell. And so everything isn't completely 100%, I want to say, like toxin free or chemical free, because everything in a product is a chemical anyways. It's just necessarily if it's actually dangerous for our health or not. And so I did want to make a little disclaimer that we have slightly opened up the doors a little bit to some of the ingredients that are allowed in the products that we promote and sell and use ourselves.
And I'll add to that we're very transparent about it, so it won't be confusing for you at all. If there is something that's a little bit in the gray area, we'll let you know, and then you can decide if that works for you or not.
So we've compiled a list of 5 products that I would say almost every single time we're on a makeup job we reach for, and we wanted to make this video for you to find out what we actually use on set for a professional job. So the first product that I always reach for in my kit when I'm on a job is the Sappho Silky Setting Powder. And this is a super, super finely milled powder. I use this to set the foundation. I use it in the T-zone if someone is a little bit oily, a little bit under the eyes as well, just to set some of the concealer. And this is actually a mica and cornstarch formulation, so it doesn't have any talc in it. So it's super safe for the skin. It's super finely milled, and I don't find personally that the camera picks up on that white powder at all. I know that sometimes if you're using like a really white setting powder, sometimes the camera can pick up on that if you're in studio. But I really, really love this powder. I use it for myself, I use it for my clients, and I find that it works well with basically any foundation and any skin type.
I would say with this one, less is more. Like, you don't need a lot.
Yeah.
I don't think this is a product that you'll be like baking with.
No, but we don't bake.
We don't really bake, but maybe some of you bake. So just putting it out there.
It's true.
Yeah. The second product I super love, it's the Zuzu liquid liner. And this product, it's amazing if you are used to using a liquid liner that lasts all day long, and you've been kind of sifting through some natural ones and they haven't quite worked out. Try this one out. You can get a very, very clean line with the shape of the tip of the applicator. It's a firmer tip, so it's easy to kind of rest along the lash line and create a really beautiful wing. And this is definitely stood up to like a long wedding day type of application, so I know this one will last.
Something that I also recommend doing is if you're used to using like a thinner brush, I roll a little bit onto my palette or the back of my hand, and I can also use a brush to get an even thinner line if you're not used to that felt tip. So the next product that I always reach for in my kit are the Elate Brow Bombs, and I keep them all in a palette together just so I have all of the colors. I also mix these together if my client doesn't have the exact color of brow balm that I need. And the reason I like this is because it really just gently fills in the brow. Sometimes I find with a pencil or even a powder, you can get a really, really heavy fill. And a lot of my clients don't need a lot of fill. They just need that like oomph in their brow. So I find that the Elate Brow Bombs are just so perfect for basically anyone. If they do need a little bit extra fill, then I'll go in with a little bit of powder, a darker, more pigmented powder, and I'll just fill in those extra areas with the powder or even a pencil.
Yeah, I love these. Again, I'm all about the user friendly, so you get a little bit of color to just fill in like the density, the color of the brow, as well as the pomade portion of it, which just helps to keep hairs going in the direction that you want them to go in. We're curious for our makeup artist friends out there and also makeup enthusiasts, what natural product are you reaching for every day? We are always open to hearing about new products and what's going on out there. So make sure you leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.
It's so funny how we tend to collect so many products, and like I have a full kit. It's heavy,
yeah.
but I always go to the same things. I find like you just really get used to certain products that you have in your kit, and some of the other ones just get kind of pushed to the side.
You definitely have the go-tos.
Yeah. So the next product I want to talk about are the Spella lip colors, and these are liquid lipsticks. They're long wearing, so we both use them for our bridal clients, and we encourage our bridal clients to use something that's long wearing so they're not spending their whole day reapplying their lipstick. And Amanda and I are both wearing the color Spin, but what I've done is I've mixed a little bit of the color Playa into it to neutralize it and soften it a little bit more. And that's what's really nice about these colors, is you can kind of mix and match, especially as a makeup artist. Like most of the time we don't use just one color on someone's lip. We'll kind of mix a little bit of something into it. So that's really nice. It is like painting. Yeah, mix your colors. And the reason I put the disclaimer at the beginning of this video is because these products actually have a silicone in them, so it actually helps that color hold on your lips. It's not going to be for everyone. So if you're a purist and you want your products to be completely free of, say, you know, David Suzuki's Dirty Dozen, I would say avoid this product. But if you're looking for something that's actually going to hold up for the day, even for a special occasion, like maybe you're only going to wear this lip color one time on your wedding day, it's not going to kill you.
It's okay.
It's totally fine. But again, like I said, it's going to be your decision if you want to use that or not. But this is us being totally transparent about the ingredients that are in the products that we use and carry.
The last product we're going to mention for now is, maybe you've even heard us talk about it already too, is the Graydon Face Glow. And this is truly an awesome product. It works for so many different skin types. This has non-nano zinc oxide. There's spirulina in there, and also red raspberry seed oil. So the non-nano zinc oxide, that's going to actually help protect your skin from the sun. That reflects the UVA and UVB rays, whereas the spirulina and the red raspberry seed oil are antioxidants, so it helps with cell repair and reducing the damage as well.
There are some other really interesting ingredients in this. There's sweet cherry, there's coffee extract, there's pineapple fruit extract, and banana fruit extract. So when you smell this product, it's
oh my god,
like kind of the best thing I've ever smelled.
Yeah.
Our clients really love it. Honestly, anytime I've ever put this on someone's face, they've wanted it right away, because it almost like, I kind of describe the feeling as it being kind of like butter when you touch your skin. It makes your skin feel super soft and hydrated and glowing. And so we always prep our clients' skin with this product, especially for like an in-person event. Like if they're actually going to be around people, it really helps the texture and the quality of the skin.
I do want to add with this product, it's so great for so many age ranges. I just used the Face Glow the other day on a mother of the bride, and the bride was just raving even days later about how glowing she looked and how she just, it was just shining through, that she felt so confident and her skin looked amazing. So this truly is a product that's good for, from like any age, 20 plus.
Well,
you know?
and this is even a good product, say if your daughter is wanting to start, or is gonna want to start dabbling in makeup a little bit, and she's maybe like 13, 14, this is an amazing product to add, because it is going to give that sun protection, and it's going to give that nice glow for her skin, and she's going to feel really awesome about wearing makeup that doesn't necessarily look like makeup. So yeah, it's honestly good for any age range. So last week we released a video called Green Beauty Starter Kit, and that's going to be a really good video if you're interested in starting to switch over your products, if you're looking for everyday makeup products. So make sure to check out that video. We've put a link right here, and we can also link it in the description bar below. We've also just recently put together a little starter sample kit for you on our website. So if you are interested in trying just smaller sizes of products, you can find that Green Beauty Starter Kit on our website through the link that says kit.
All of the products that we just mentioned, they are amazing for everyday wear. They will hold up. They're not just for on-set or a professional setting. So we've definitely tested out these products and we know that they're gonna work for you.
So if you're looking to join a community of like-minded people, or you're looking for a place to maybe ask a question or get some advice on green beauty products, natural beauty products, holistic living, holistic nutrition, we have our Facebook group called the Green Beauty Community. All you have to do is visit the link in the description bar below, answer a few quick little questions, and we will accept you into that group and you will be a part of our Facebook community.
And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it, leave us a comment, and subscribe to make sure that you get notified every Tuesday.
For our new videos.
Yeah, for new videos.
And if you're curious what we're drinking, what is it?
This is a freshly brewed organic hibiscus tea. There's also some fresh orange and fresh mint in here. This is amazing for your skin, people.
If you want to learn a bit more about drinking tea and why it's really good for your skin, you can find that information in our video called Acne Healing from a Holistic Nutritionist. And like always, we will see you next Tuesday.
See you next Tuesday.